Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display time difference between check-in and check-out time. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Attendance Time Difference. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Attendance app and see here time difference between check-in and check-out. Now open this. So see here check-in time is 8 and check-out time is 5 pm. So first go to settings, go to working schedule and see here work duration. So work start 8 am and end is 5 pm. It means break time is 1 hour 12 to 13 pm. So again go to here. So see here demo is attend full time 8 to 5 pm. It means here break time is not countable. So display here time difference total 8 hours and 58 minutes. Thank you.